Hello, this is Ushie from Crafting with Ushie and welcome to this video. This is a haul video I have to share with you today. Now, every year we have on stage, and once in every few years we have it in the European market, and last year they did have it in Dortmund in Germany, but unfortunately I wasn't able to attend. This year it was meant to happen locally in Telford, but unfortunately everything got cancelled because of the pandemic. So Stampin' Up actually decided to have it online, and so all the demonstrators in all of the world were able to sign up and watch together on stage at home. And as part of the perk of being a demonstrator and attending on stage, we were allowed to order some goodies from the new mini catalogue that will go live in January. Now, this is the mini catalogue that will go live in January. There you go. I can't show you the inside of it, but I can show you the outside. We'll also be having Sale-a-bration. Now, Sale-a-bration will last this time for 2 months, not the normal 3 months. And that's because we're having 2 series of celebrations. We'll have one in January, February, and then another one over the summer in July, August. And during celebration, as you know, for every £45 you spend, you get a free item. And as a demonstrator, we were allowed to earn some celebration items early. So I got this order, when did I get it? Middle of November, roughly, but I have a wonderful mother who very kindly offered to pay for my order as my birthday present. My birthday was last week on the 4th of December, and so she paid for my PPP, which is the product premiere purchase, which is what I did for my birthday, and she wanted to save it to wrap it up. So I didn't get this until the 4th, and therefore I thought I'd jump on now and show you what I got. This is really my birthday present, so let's get started. Starting with stampies, I've got here this one that says Garden Wishes, and you've got these lovely florals here. These almost remind me to a certain extent here of alliums, which are one of my favourite flowers. And again, the sentiments from Stampin' Up are absolutely glorious. And then of course you have the matching dies. So that's Garden Wishes. Then we have this one that we actually ordered just before convention because we used it for making takes at I should say on stage. And it's this wonderful Dragonfly and matching punch. Okay, and I've used some of these already. And then we have this one, which is Art Gallery, which I absolutely love. And this has some matching paper that you'll see soon. Really, really fun set, you know. Okay, and then 2 more stamps. This one, Enjoy the Moment, we actually got free in our convention bag. So I didn't want to just jump on and show you one stamp set, so I thought I'd save it till now to show you. And it's all these wonderful berries, really, really pretty, and I've actually made a card with this as well. And then we have this one here, Corner Bouquet, and this is actually a free set in Celebration, so I got this one for free. So lovely jubbly. So that's all my stamps that I have. So I'm just going to move on to one of the most exciting things from the new catalogue, and it's these blending brushes here. And these are for blending ink on your paper. And if you've watched some of my videos, you see I've used some other non-branded blending brushes to try and do this on my paper. But now Stampin' Up have brought out our own, and I tell you, these are as soft as anything. I mean, they're just, you could just sit all day and stroke them. They're so beautifully soft. And it's made of lots, I don't know if you can see very well, but lots of tiny little hairs, you know, that make this up. And it has a lovely grip here. And then you're just going to blend you're going to dab this into your ink, and then you're just going to blend it onto your paper like this. And no more squeaks. When I've used sponges, however hard I try, I squeak. I sound like a broken down bicycle. I squeak, 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 squeak. But these don't squeak at all, so they're brilliant. And then when you've finished colouring them in, you can just rub the colour off onto a piece of scratch paper and you're good to go again. So those are our blending brushes there. So I'm really excited about that. Now I have a few little embellishments to show you. These are our ladybug trinkets. And you can see here these little buggies. Little ladybugs. I mean, you know, if you move them like that, it almost looks like they're crawling across your your tub. Yeah, simple things fascinate me. And then we have this Mossy Meadow little trim. Let me undo this quickly so you can sort of see here. Trying to get my bits under so you can see there. You've got this trim here. Let's see if I can put my sellotape back on too. Not that it ever works with me. Whatever I try to stop my ribbon coming untwined in my drawer, it still does. Nothing works for me. I think because, you know, I don't want to use pins. I do use a little bit of ribbon, a little bit of tape, and then it gets stuck to something else and I get brand off and then I forget to put it back on. It just never works for me. And then we have this is the fine art ribbon. Okay. And it's got these lovely, it's almost like a Hessian linen ribbon with these lovely little gold sparkles in it. You can sort of see in the camera. If I pull, I can't find the end of this thing to take it off. Do you ever struggle with these plastic bits? I hate them. They're the bane of my life. There. You can see you've got little sparkles in that. The camera's not really picking it up very well, but it's there, I promise you. Okay, so enough of that. An embossing folder, and this is called the Painted Texture Embossing Folder, and it gives you really good embossing because it's one of our 3D embossing folders. Now, we have some Memory and More cards. So these are they. And remember, you get your 6x4 and your 3x4, and you get 2 of each. So you've got those wonderful bees, and you've got a sentiment that says, "Hooray for today." This week. Hello there. What does this say? Thank you so very much. Notes from today. What does that say? Thinking of you. Time together is well spent. Then you've got this one that says some things are meant to be. So very grateful. That's another one we just had. You've got those. You've got those. Today was a great day. There you go. What's that one say? Together is my favourite place to be. Oh, family and friends. This says life and adventure. Ain't that the truth? Blessed. We're truly blessed. This is our happy place. So you've got those, and then you've got the 6x6. So you've got these lovely big cards. You are loved. And then of course you've got the stickers here. And you've got these stickers with all these little sentiments as well. You've got that. Real life. Our wonderful life. Weekend getaway. And moments like these. So those are our gorgeous Memory and More cards, and they go with that Dragonfly Garden Wishes set that I said looked like a bit like an allium. Okay, and to go with the Dragonfly set, there's also this paper. Now you can see I started to use it already, so excuse that. You can see here we've got this gorgeous paper. I love these stripes. We've got the bees. Okay. You've got that. And then we're back to the beginning again. So you've got those lovely paper. And it's a 6x6 stack, as you can see. And so you get 48 sheets. And the colours in this are Basic Black, Blackberry Bliss, Bumblebee, Calypso Coral, Misty Moonlight, Mossy Meadow, and of course Whisper White. And then we have this. This is a set of paper from Sale-a-bration, and it's called the Osa Ombre paper, and it is glorious. I'm going to show you both sides. It really is lovely. So you've got this design, and then you've got on the back you've got the green. So the colours here are Bermuda Bay, Blackberry Bliss, Granny Apple Green, Rococo Rose and Whisper White. So that's Granny Apple Green, and this is Blackberry Bliss. And then you can see here Rococo Rose, Bermuda Bay, Rococo Rose, Bermuda Bay, and then you can see we're back to the beginning again. And really pretty paper, as you can see. I absolutely love it. And if you come to my online card club, we'll be using this paper in January's online card club. Now if you want to find any more details about online card club, just go onto my website and click on card club, and all the details are there. But basically we have a virtual card club here in my Facebook group once a month, where we make 4 to 5 different projects, and I send you the kits to make everything. All you need to add is adhesive, and we have a lot of fun crafting together, so please do check that out. This is the Fine Art Floral Designer Series paper, and get rid of these plastics, I hate them. And you can see here the paper, we've got that design and then that one. Got these lovely florals, really pretty. And then we've got this, and then that. I'm not sure about this page personally, but I really do love the back, so that's perfect. And these just look like a painting, they're so pretty. And I love the backs as well. And we've got that one, and then that one. Really pretty paper, and for someone like me, I love it because I do some painting, so it's really pretty. So that's that paper. This paper here is another freebie with Sale-a-bration, and this is glorious again. So you have this one, and then you have that one. So pretty, isn't it? And again, this is something we're going to be using in Card Club. I absolutely love this one. It's one of my favourites. And this side, the Shaded Spruce side, is so yummy. And then that. Don't you think those together look so good? Like that? I do. Okay, so let's put that away, and I'll just tell you what colours were in there so you sort of know for reference. There's a lot of colours in here. Bumblebee, Cherry Cobbler, Floaty Flamingo, Granny Apple Green, Just Jade, Misty Moonlight, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Poppy Parade, Pumpkin Pie, Shaded Spruce, So Saffron, and of course Whisper White. So those are the colours there. Now the last thing I have to show you is this paper, and this is really a male orientated paper. So this is called the Well Suited Designer Series paper, and we have this one, and then we have that. We have this, well, sorry, that's the back of that one. Then you have this one here. It really is a material, has that texture look of material. And then again you have this, which looks like a shirt, and then you have a grid. You have that. Then we have this grey, and this really pretty floral. I really like this piece a lot. And then we have these, which look like trousers. I have a pair of trousers actually in this, the exact pattern. And then you have that, and then you have this piece. This is another piece I really like. I like this design. And then you have the grey on the back. So that's that paper. So that is my haul. Wasn't I a lucky girl to get all of that for my birthday? I am truly blessed and truly thankful to my mother for giving that to me for my birthday. It was very kind and sweet of her. If you want a copy of the new catalogue, it will go live, as I said, on the 4th of January. Is it the 4th of January? Let me have a look and see. When does it go live? 5th of January it goes live. So this will go live then. If you want a copy of the catalogue, just drop me a message or leave me a comment and ask for one, and I'll get one out to you ASAP, so please do that. If you've ordered from me before in the last year, you will get a copy already for free. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.